Meaning of endogamy.
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 Endogamy. The term endogamy refers to the practice of marrying within one's own social, cultural, or ethnic group. This can lead to a number of outcomes, both positive and negative. On the positive side, endogamy can help to maintain cultural traditions and social cohesion within a community. However, it can also lead to a lack of genetic diversity, which can increase the risk of certain inherited diseases and health conditions. Additionally, endogamy can reinforce social inequalities and limit people's options for finding partners outside of their own group.